Good morning, everyone. It is about July 11th right now. About 7 in the morning. We were camping with the family. I came back into town. It is Saturday. Ashley and I, we are gonna be working, you guys. I'm doing some demo on a small project, and so yeah, this morning just here at the shop. So I need that, I need keys, I need my Bobcat keys, I need my drink. So I went and bought some ice, you guys. We got ice. I gotta put in this. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna take this dump truck and this trailer with us. The mini X, guys, is already at the job site. We're gonna use that to pull shrubs. And so we gotta pull shrubs. We gotta take out rocks. Just their old landscaping around their beds, you know, their plant beds. So this up. Need to make something for this because oh jeez, to hold this door. I'm surprised they didn't like make something, you know, to hold this door on here. We got ice in here. So this project was supposed to take it's supposed to be only a 2-day project. We were supposed to start on it when is that, Thursday, and today's Saturday, but it got rained out. Oh man, there's water. Bought a, what is this, a 24 pack of water? Yes. 24 pack of water, I think it's 24. Yeah, 24 pack of water. And I got ice, just should have brought that. I was looking into, you guys, maybe getting a nicer cooler that will hold ice maybe for like 4 days, maybe 7 days. I was looking into that. So maybe one of these times I'm gonna look into it more and invest in one. You know, they're a little spendy, but I think it's gonna be worth it. We're back here at the shop while I'm waiting for Ashley. I'm gonna show you guys, we got some topsoil here. Because it's some nice topsoil. Look at how dark black. It's black. I know you can't tell in here, but it's black. Nice. We got quite a load here. See where the grass is growing on there? That's topsoil too, but grass has been growing in there. So yeah, I mean, you never can have enough topsoil. So I told the guy that we got it from, I said, hey, if you got a few more loads, give me as much load as you can and bring it over, because we can always stockpile this, you know. So we got that. Man, it's getting rough down here. Dude, these hot days, I just don't have time to weed down here, you know? While we're in the busy season, we're getting internet hooked up here. That's why you got the white lines here. Gonna get a new internet provider. It's faster, you know. So. You're late, bro.
No, I'm not.
Oh, you are.
Dude, it's 7:48. I'm 12 minutes early.
What time is it?
7:48. It's gonna rain today.
I don't think so. It looks like it, but we're gonna remember we've worked in the rain, so.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab a jacket.
Okay. We got a lot of excavation.
What?
There's not much heavy lifting. It's just Like we did with that excavator last time?
Which one? I feel like all of them spin with the excavator.
They've been easy or what?
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Dude, you gotta look at Amy's monitor. Come here.
Oh, dude, that looks sweet. Freaking huge.
Dude, I know. It's a mess in here.
Ashton and Cole are gonna want one.
I know, right? Look at that.
Dude, that's huge.
Bro.
Holy cow. Has she seen it yet?
No. She's like, well, am I gonna get a neck ache? I go, I don't know. Just sit, come down and try it out. It's
I think she'd
huge,
be
bro.
okay.
I know. Sit down there once.
Dude, look at that. Oh my god.
I had the mount here, but it then the screen would push out more.
Oh.
So then dude, I was getting dizzy sitting. Dude, why didn't that all go back?
What?
This, all this stuff.
Oh, like
Supposed to
windows?
range, yeah. But then,
You just
for
open
her
another one and
deco.
drag it.
Yeah, they were supposed to all stay there, I think. Yeah, that's
Dang,
huge.
that's huge.
I know. Job site. It is hot, muggy. I think I got the key. Alright, so here's what we are doing. We are ripping out these shrubs, all them shrubs there. Ripping out this one, taking all that out, you guys, and edging, ripping out this evergreen here. You guys can see, yeah, there's another evergreen over there. So I got the Bobcat here already, so that's what we will be doing today, is demo. Yeah, open that up. It's not raining. Good?
I think so.
Yeah.
I hope. Are we leaving this open?
You can throw the board back.
Okay.
Yeah, now. Let's see. guys, so we got it pulled out. What I'm gonna do next is we're gonna come in with the MT, or actually I'm gonna come back with the excavator and just scoop it all in into pile, and then we'll come and scoop it up with the MT. We're gonna leave that here for Monday when the dump site opens, because we can't just throw that. We gotta go to the dump site. So here's what we got. It's a lot of brushes.
No.
Got a glove for me, bro?
No. You want one?
No, I got one. So, yeah. Let me see here.